Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and first I want to wish you a very happy new year. And I hope this new year brings you prosperity, happiness, and magic in your life. I don't know about you, but I think 2019 was very difficult for a lot of people. It was for me. A lot of different challenges, and maybe what you wanted to manifest this year didn't come into play. But know that your soul's journey is perfect and it's meant to be as it is. Maybe you needed to heal more. Maybe your soul and your consciousness need to be elevated and grow more. But going into 2020, set some intentions. And that's what this video is about. It's a manifesting ritual for the new year. Because if you don't know exactly what you want and you don't have crystal clear intentions, how's it going to come into your life? So it's a ritual, it's a 4-step ritual, and we're also going to release what you don't want to bring in to 2020. We went from a 3D to a 5D reality about May and June. And with the 5D reality, your thoughts manifest even quicker. So that could be negative or positive thoughts. So let's program them the right way. And this is a great video to share with your friends, your family, your tribe. So you could all manifest what you want this year. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. And if you enjoy my videos, I'm here to help you manifest the life that you want and that you deserve. So if you want that, please hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up if you like this ritual. And also write to me in the comments if you have any questions about it, because I know I'm going to do this ritual tomorrow on New Year's Day. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to talk about a 4-step manifesting ritual for 2020. And again, I do something like this just about every year. I kind of mix it up, but I really try and do it either on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. If you don't get to it then, I mean, January 2nd is fine. But it's important to crystallize what you want and what you don't want. It gives you direction going into the year. Now, you may change it, alter it. That's okay. But at least going into the new year, you're shouting out to the universe, you're shouting out to your guides what you want to bring in. And again, you may have done this last year and you look at it and you're thinking, this all didn't come into play. Mine didn't, I can tell you that. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to go forward with wanting to do some of that. I think my soul needed more healing this year. It needed more growth. But I believe in the process. It does work. It's been around centuries. So let's go over the 4-step process now. The first is to review 2019. Spend some quiet time and just review it. And some of the questions you might want to ask and write them down in your journal. What was the most significant event for you this year? What was the most significant event? What was your greatest joy this year? How about your greatest sorrow? What was the greatest lesson you learned? And there may be more than one. I think for me, there was more than one. What was the greatest lesson you learned? And also, what are you most grateful for? What are you most grateful for in this year? And really spend some time. You might want to write it down and then go back to it, because you may think of some other things you want to write down. And this is important. It's kind of like wrapping up the year, because again, we're with 5D reality now. So what you want will manifest quicker. You need more personal responsibility for your thoughts and your actions. So that's the first, is to review 2019. Then I want you to write, what do you want to leave behind? What do you want to leave in 2019? Now, you want to bring the lessons forward, but there may be a situation, maybe some people. It could be a bad habit. This is a great time to work on some of those bad habits. Let's cleanse, detoxify. What do you want to leave behind? And ask the angels, God, and the spirit guides to help you. Now bring the lessons going forward. You want those lessons. Maybe somebody betrayed you. I've heard from so many people this past year on people, they were betrayed and really, really hurt. Now, you want to leave those people probably. If they're toxic like that, you want to leave them. But you going forward, maybe you learned something about yourself. You learned respect. You learned to love yourself. You learned that you did not want to be treated that way, that you deserve better. So what is it you want to leave behind? And what we're going to do now with this to help you, I love doing Palo Santo or sage. So I am going to burn some of this right now. It's going to take a couple of seconds here to get this going. Okay? But what this does is this will cleanse. Just let it go a little bit. And I'm cleansing. We're leaving that all behind, and we're cleansing. And we ask the universe to recycle any negative energy, recycle, leave it in 2019, and only bring what is for your highest good, to bring joy, happiness, and love into your life, into your home, into your family and friends in 2020. And this Palo Santo, or you can use sage if you want, will recycle and let go of all the negativity. And all you're going to bring in are the lessons, which are beautiful. So that's the second. The third is gratitude. Now you kind of did this in step one, but for this I'd love for you to light a candle. I prefer white candles, but whatever sings to you from your heart. Light a candle and make a list. You kind of did this in step one, but make a list, and maybe there's something you want to add to it. What are you grateful for in 2019? And maybe some of your hardest lessons are what you're most grateful for because it has changed you as a person. Maybe your hurts changed you as a person. So write those down, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let that feeling of gratitude permeate every cell in your body. Every cell. Gratitude is so powerful to raise your vibration, and that is great to go into 2020. So write them down, light a candle, let it permeate every cell and raise your vibration. Again, we've released. Now we're going to raise it with the gratitude, and that's the third step. Now the fourth step is to make the list. What is it you want to bring in and manifest in 2020? And be pretty specific about this. Make a list. What is it you want to bring in? What do you want to manifest? And also, what do you want to nurture in 2020? Do you want to have more compassion? Do you want to start a hobby, have more free time? Do you want to have more patience with yourself, with others, with your family members? Do you want to let go of a bad habit? Do you want to do more spiritual work, read more inspirational books? So write this down so it's not only what you want to bring in, what do you want to nurture? And then there's two ways you can do this. One, it's what I usually do is I write it in my journal. This is mine from last year. And I always write at the top, this or something better in 2020. This or something better. Write down what you want to manifest. Write down what you want to nurture. And then I always put at the bottom, my God is a God of plenty. And I now release all I desire and require to Him. You release it to the universe. And then have fun with it. I use markers, fun colors. I put ribbons. You could put stickers. Have fun. You want to raise the energy of this because this is what you want to bring in 2020. Now, the second thing you could do is you can have a universe box. which is just any kind of box that's special to you. It could be just a cardboard box that you decorate. But you can write down what you want to manifest and put it in the box and have faith that the universe is going to take care of it for you. Get rid of the timelines, but know the universe will take care of it. So I really suggest you do these 4 steps as soon as you can after the new year. And I also meditated and picked an oracle card for you today. I asked the universe for a message. And this is so beautiful, I think. What it is truth. And it says, see your light, know your power, have the courage to walk your truth. You have truth. You have the power. You can manifest what you want. Write it down, get crystal clear, and have faith in the process and believe in the truth of the universe. Thank you for watching this video. Happy New Year. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button and share this with family and friends that could use this. Let's get the whole tribe manifesting. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Happy New Year. Sending you lots of love and light for abundance, happiness, and magic in the new year.